How do historical land grants shape farmland boundaries? Have you ever wondered how the boundaries of farmland came to be? Historical land grants have played a key role in shaping these boundaries, and understanding them is essential for anyone interested in agricultural real estate. Land grants were formal allocations of land given to individuals or groups, often to encourage settlement or development. In the United States, during the colonial period, various authorities issued these grants. For instance, English, Spanish, and Mexican governments provided land grants to settlers. These grants often came with conditions, such as the requirement to cultivate the land or build structures. This helped establish permanent property lines that we still see today. The Homestead Act of 1860 further influenced farmland boundaries. This act allowed settlers to claim parcels of land, typically 160 acres, by filing an application and improving the land. This legal framework formalized boundaries into surveyed plots, often following a rectangular layout. The public land survey system in the United States still dictates how farmland is organized in many areas. Railroad land grants also had a significant impact. These grants provided large tracts of land adjacent to rail lines to railroad companies. The companies then sold smaller parcels to farmers. This proximity to railroads increased land value and encouraged settlement near transportation hubs, which affected how farmland was divided. From a due diligence and site selection perspective, knowing about these historical land grants is vital. They explain why some farmland boundaries are shaped in specific ways and why certain parcels may be larger or have irregular shapes. Surveyors use these historical documents to verify property lines and resolve disputes before a land acquisition. In terms of farmland investment strategies, understanding the origins of land boundaries can reveal important information about land quality and access to infrastructure. For example, land granted under Spanish or Mexican rule may have unique communal claims or unresolved title issues. On the other hand, land originally granted to railroads might have better access to markets, which can influence its investment value. Overall, historical land grants established the initial legal boundaries of farmland. These boundaries continue to influence property lines, land use, and investment decisions today. They provide the legal and physical framework that supports farmland surveys, valuation, and acquisition strategies in agricultural real estate.